Buckeyes. So, what do we need to?
We need 2 cups of powdered sugar.
2 cups powdered sugar. How much peanut butter?
That's what I mean. Now I mean 2 cups of this honey cracker.
Graham crackers?
Yeah, honey.
2 cups graham crackers.
Yeah.
And how much peanut butter?
Yeah, wait.
A stick of butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
and then how much peanut butter did you put in?
well, first, Joe, because I mean, first we're gonna see how they come out the dough. First,
What did you start with?
wait.
Did you start with a jar?
Well, I started, I mean, the peanut butter. Then,
But what, a can of peanut butter?
yeah,
Which was okay, a pound. No, 28 ounces. Okay.
Jeez.
Yeah.
then you're gonna mix together peanut butter, honey cracker, and powdered sugar. And you're gonna work really good. See? Yeah, this you're gonna do it by hand. Cause you can, I mean, you see at the dough, because see the dough, I mean, they're not gonna be not too soft and not too hard.
It's just right.
Yeah.
They're gonna be, that's why I mean, okay, you're gonna do by hand. Okay, you're gonna see yourself. Because you can judge, say you do with a spoon.
Yeah. You do it with the spoon to like start and like get it going, but then you.
Yeah, see, deal with the dough. They get nice. Okay, you be able, I mean, the roll. Yeah, see. You're gonna work the dough. Deal, I mean, it's everything so they get nice together. So far, so good. They look pretty good, I mean,
Because you measured it, because you always measure everything, right?
That's what I mean.
She never measures anything.
They look like, I mean, okay, I did a pretty good job, because I never measured.
You want to learn?
No, not today. Yeah, see?
You experience with eating. Eating them, right?
Yeah. No, I don't like it. You don't make a talk him now. Hey, you're gonna roll with the.
Wow, that came out really good.
Yeah, did you see?
It looks like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell. It's almost ready. And when you see the dough in your hand, Okay. That's ready to make a little ball.
now we make the little balls.
Oké, lite van een oude deze. Het is weer van een oude deze.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. They have a nice taste. Like it is, I can eat it all.
Oké. Nou, we take it off of deze.
No nuts.
You don't put nuts in there?
Don't make a confusion.
I had the food.
No, but I mean, don't make a confusion. I mean, you know, the doctor. And with this, we gonna juice
What did you put on the pan? Did you spray that or something?
spray with the cooker spray.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, see? A little bit of this. Yeah, okay.
So you need to. What do you usually do? Do
You put
you
it in
make
the
the
refrigerator.
balls and then what do? You put it in the refrigerator?
Put them in the refrigerator.
Oh, you can't do it.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, they have to like.
How long do you usually leave it in the refrigerator?
In the refrigerator, I mean, you can keep it 24 hours and then you can keep
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and then you can keep them, I mean, in the chocolate. Yeah, you have to put them in the refrigerator, Buckeyes. Oh yeah, 100%.
Oh.
Because the one that, you know, you mix, yeah, because I said it's really nice. Tell me it's really easy to make. And they're easy.
It's really easy to make. Yeah. Where did you learn to do this? Who taught you to make Buckeyes?
Me?
Yeah.
I'll tell the truth, I mean, I was, look, I mean, in the book one day, and I was to see this, the Buckeye. And the one I say, oh, that's interesting, I mean, I want to see, I mean, how to make, I mean. And I get the book, and I was to take them home, and I try myself. And the one I try, you know, especially the first time, I mean, you know, they never come out to what they're supposed to be, I mean, you know. But I was surprised. They must have come out, I mean, you know, pretty good.
When was that?
Well, that was years ago. The one I come in this country, 54 years ago. Yeah, 55.
So you've been making Buckeyes for over 50 years.
Yeah.
Did you make them in Italy? Do they have Buckeyes in Italy?
No.
Oh, I thought Buckeyes were an Italian thing.
No.
Huh, I was wrong.
They might be in Ohio, I think.
Well,
for now, see, after you have to redo again the Elisa for make more shine, the deeper more you hands in water. And look at that. For make more, look at that, Elisa. Look. For make more smooth
Okay.
and shiny.
So then you gotta redo all of them.
Yeah, yeah. One more time before you put it in the refrigerator. Look at that. Big job, big size. I mean, oh my God.
just ate it, though. He just cuts to the chase. He just eliminates the middle. Why go through all the trouble if it's just gonna end up in your mouth anyway?
The hell is good.
That's a 3 cup, I mean, the chocolate.
This is we'll figure out what the chocolate's name is.
Yeah.
You get at parties. It's called melting chocolate. I think you could get it other places, but you get it at Party City. How
Yes.
much is a bag? You get a big bag of it, right?
The bigger bag, I mean, yesterday, I mean, 10 pound, they was costing me $32.
How much did you use all the bag for this?
Oh, no. 3 cup this, I mean. 3 cup the
3 cups of chocolate?
Yeah, can we measure, I mean.
3 cups of this
The
chocolate.
fill up
All
that,
right.
I mean. And the frost, you need this. That's for cookie wax.
Cooking wax. Okay.
This, they're gonna be
Half of one of these blocks.
Yeah.
And you melt that with the chocolate?
Yes. You put this in that.
Okay, so you have a double pan here.
Double
You
pan,
boil the water.
boil the water,
Then you
and
put
put
the
the top.
chocolate
Put the
and
top.
the wax
And the wax
on top.
over here.
And wait till it melts, and then you mix it up?
The mix it up with the spoon.
Uh-huh.
Deal, they get the leaf with the
Okay.
melt, I mean.
Okay.
After the time, and then I mean, the one you're gonna get the peanut butter, and you're gonna dip them inside. That's why I wish they get really hard now.
Let's just try it with one of these. Let's just see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll try it. We'll try with one. Yeah, you're gonna lose it. Oh, you got it.
See, that's why I mean, they're gonna be.
That looks good still.
They're gonna be in the fridge there.
Uh-huh. You gotta make it hard.
They're gonna be
Okay.
really hard.
Uh-huh.
And then I mean, but did you see what they look
But
like?
then after that, you're done, right?
After that, you start the back.
And then how long do you wait?
With the finger, you're gonna get a little bit of water or finger and close this hole.
Close the hole. Okay, yeah, why does the hole have to be?
No, they don't look nice with the
That's
hole.
for family. So you have to give it to somebody.
This is for everybody, not just for family.
They're gonna show you all over the canzone di Mila Prosecco. See, that's why I mean, the meta and no less.
For the abbreviate something.
Yeah, but now the one you show, I mean, you're gonna show exactly what you make.
Okay, so then so you got to close the
Yeah,
hole,
yeah,
and then that's
yeah.
it.
Yeah,
You
that's
just-
it,
How
that's
long
it.
do you? Because
And then this-
how long does the chocolate go to?
No, the chocolate, man, look.
Oh, it's already done.
Yeah,
Oh my God, it's already
you
done.
can eat them
See?
right away.
See?
Look how hard the chocolate, I mean, look.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah, did you see it?
Like
And
instant.
that's a Buckeye.